I am Radhika from University of Jaffna. Okay, actually I am also a student who are learning in assembly language as one of the module in my degree program. So I was searching for tutorial on assembly language for beginners. Since we are learning turbo assembly, say Tarzan, I couldn't find any perfect tutorial. There may be, but I couldn't find. So many students who learning Tarzan will face the same problem. Therefore, I visit many sites to collect information for my learning. Then I decided to make a video for you for your reference to make it easy of learning Tarzan. Is there any corrections or any comments? You are feel free to comment because I am also a beginner, then I also can learn. Okay, what is assembly language? A low-level symbolic code converted by an assembler. Okay, actually it's a low-level language. That means you have to code more. It's not just like Java or any other high-level language. It is very low-level language. You will learn when we are writing codes. Then you have to work with registers here. Actually, what is a register? A register is a small bit of memory that sits inside the CPU and is used by assembly language to perform various tasks. You will have many registers when we are programming. A register must be large enough to hold an instruction. As an example, in 64-bit computer, a register must be 64-bit in length. You will learn more about registers when we are doing programming. Types of registers: there are general purpose register and special purpose registers. In this tutorial I am going to talk about general purpose registers. You can see here there are 8 general purpose registers, say accumulator register AX, count register CX, data register DX, so on. You can see here. Then you can see the summary of the registers: 64-bit, 32-bit, 16-bit and 8-bit registers are there. Then you can see all registers can access in 16-bit and 32-bit modes. In 16-bit mode, the register is identified by its 2 letter. That means if 16-bit, you can say AX, CX, DX or BX, like that. In 32-bit mode, this 2 letter is prefixed with an E extended. For example, EAX is accumulator register as a 32-bit value. Similarly, in 64-bit version, the E is replaced with an R. So, the register 64-bit version of EAX is called RAX. It is also possible to address the first 4 registers AX, CX, DX and BX in their sizes of 16-bit as 2 8-bit halves. The least significant byte LSB or low half is identified by replacing the X with an L. The most significant byte MSB or high half uses an H instead. For example, CL is the least significant bit of the count register, whereas CH is the MSB, most significant bit. In total, this gives us 5 ways to access the accumulator, counter and data and base register: 64-bit, 32-bit, 16-bit, 8-bit LSB and 8-bit MSB. The other 4 are accessed in only 3 ways: 64-bit, 32-bit, 16-bit. You can't access these 4 registers in 8-bit. Here is the example for how is addressing. If we talk about the accumulator register, the address is start from 0 to 7 is AL, the address is start from 8 to 15 is AH, the total 0 to 15 is AX, and the total 0 to 31 is EAX, then the total 0 to 63 is RAX. I think it is better if you practice with the tutorial. To practice it, you need 2 utilities called the Tarzan and also a text editor, Notepad or Notepad++. I think it is better if you have Notepad++. You can go directly to this link, then you can download Tasm, or otherwise I can show you how to download. Just go to Google, then type Tasm download, then in the second link here you can see Tasm for Windows 7 8.1. then just click on that, then you will go to this site. By clicking this link you can download. After that you can install. There is nothing new, simply you can install. That's enough for this tutorial. We will meet on next tutorial. You are free to comment, share, like and anything.